Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on Fusion Markets. And to demo trade, you need to do a few things, and the first thing is create your own demo account. So what we're gonna do right now is we go here to demo and then select right here on create new demo account, and then we need to decide which platform we want to use. I will show you that for MT5 in the web trader. So we select right here MT5, MetaTrader 5. Select right here the account type that you want to use, so 0 is fine. The currency that I want to use is US dollars. And then the leverage is 1 to 100, that is fine for me. Then we can add a 0 to this, so we can trade with 100k. And if you want to add a reference code, you can also do that, but that is not important for now. So now we click here on create account. Then what we will do is we go to our email address that is connected to our Fusion Markets account, because they will send you all your account information to your email address. So if we refresh this page and go to demo, you will see right here that they are adding our third account right there. And if we now go to our email address, you will see this. I will show you exactly what you will see is your login right there, the server right there, and your password right there. So if you want to log in now to the web trader, what we're going to do is go to downloads, select right here the web for the MetaTrader 5, and then right here select demo. And now we need to log in with our email address. So we go to our email, and then, sorry, not email address, but log in with your code that they sent to our email. Sorry for that. And then we go to password, and then we copy paste our password and paste it right here. Then we do from here connect. And now he's connecting right here to the chart. And now we just logged in for our demo account. And what we can do now is if you want to create a order, select right here on new order, fill in right here the volume that you want to use. So let's say we want to do this for a 0.01. We can set a stop loss or a take profit right there. And then right now, if you click on buy by market, we created our position right here on the market. So you can also do this for a sell order and then click right here on sell. And then right now you see here standing that we have a sell option, or sorry, sell position and a buy position. So this is how you can demonstrate right here on Fusion Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.